Are you getting ready for a backpack trip and you don't know what to pack? This video is for you. This is a guide to the essential gear that you need for a successful backpack trip. Let's go. I'm gonna show you exactly what I have in my backpack for this trip. Alright, there's three things to get under consideration: functionality, weight, versatility. And when you choose what to wear, what shelter to have, and what to bring. Most important thing is conditions that you go to. Is it winter? Is it summer? Is it possible to be raining? Are you in the desert?
Let's not waste any more time and open up that backpack and see what's inside.
All right, so we have a sleeping bag, very important, waterproof gloves, headlight. It's gonna get dark later and it's gonna be much easier to operate with it. Some kind of tool to cut, chop with pliers, battery, water, plenty of water, a bag of food because I'm only for a day, so I'm only gonna need so much. If you're for multiple days, you need to consider cooking gear and water filtration system if you're not on an island that has drinkable water. Warm pants that can really go rough. Even if I don't have a sleeping bag or I'm stranded somewhere, I'll be fine and dry. A few pair of socks because you need change for those, that's for sure. And I got some extra clothing here, couple of shirts, and pretty much that's it. And of course, if it's cold, you'll most likely need some kind of a mat. I have my yoga mat, but you could definitely pick up one of those lightweight mats that are mattress-like, and your sleep's gonna be much better if you don't have a flat and soft ground. So this is what I picked up on this trip. I hope this guide helps you. The challenges here are to pick up light stuff, just enough, not too much, and to be actually functional for the environment that you go in. But you can do this. Our ancestors have done this for thousands of years, and don't worry about it, you'll be fine. The first couple times might be rough. The next most important thing would be starting a fire.